വെൽക്കം ബാക്ക് ടു മൈ യൂട്യൂബ് ചാനൽ 3 in 1. നമ്മൾ ഇന്നിവിടെ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത് ഇന്നലെ ചെയ്തതിൻ്റെ ബാക്കിയാണ്. ഒരു 50 ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് കൂടെ നമുക്ക് ഇന്ന് പ്രിപ്പയർ ചെയ്യാം. നമുക്ക് തുടങ്ങാം. ഫസ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ partial or complete removal of top or bottom portion of the tablet is known as. Answer capping. Second question, mother clove is an adulterant of dash. Answer clove. Third question, tablets are designed to exert local effect in throat is. Answer lozenges. Fourth one, a plant drug which lowers BP is Rauwolfia. Fifth one, the minimum required area to open a retail drugstore is 10 square meter. Sixth question, Enricotta tablets are designed to release medication in dash. Answer small intestine. Seventh question, which dryer used for production of milk powder? Answer spray dryer. Eighth question, Vapicide is an insecticide which formulated from dash. Answer neem. Ninth question, jute bark is a synonym of dash. Answer cinchona. 10th question, renin is a proteolytic enzyme which is produced in kidney. 11th, alkylating agent used in anti-neoplastic drug. Answer nitrogen mustard. 12th question, abrasive agent used in dentifrices. Answer calcium carbonate. 13, first line drug for TB. Answer isoniazid. 14, drug used in ulcer. Answer sulfasalazine. 15, dimethicone is another name of dash. Answer silicon oil. 16, drug used in uterine inertia. Answer oxytocin. 17, another name of regenerated cellulose. Answer rayon. 18, an example of rapidly acting anticoagulant. Answer heparin. 19, which is water soluble constituent of ergot. Answer ergometrin. 20, yeast is the richest source of vitamin B. 21, which drug is used to test gastric acid secretion? Answer histamine. 22, Schick test is performed to test the degree of immunity against. Answer diphtheria. 13, example of ultra short acting barbiturate thiopental sodium. 21, Raspic method used to prepare dash. Answer lemon oil. 25, chemical name of plaster of Paris. Answer calcium sulfate. 26, which one of the following is a beta lactamase inhibitor? Answer sulbactam. 27, oxytocin is a hormone released from dash. Answer posterior lobe of pituitary. 28, drug choice for the management of status epilepticus. Answer diazepam. 29, pharmacy bill introduced by Government of India in which year? Answer 1945. 30, which is a nutritional deficiency disorder? Answer is marasmus. 31, the immunoglobulin present in very low concentration in normal serum? Answer IgE. 32, condition in which WBC significantly lower than the reference range? Answer leukopenia. 33, the science deals with the interaction of exogenously administered chemical molecule with living system? Answer pharmacology. 34, according to IP, the statement of sparingly soluble at 20 degree to 30 degree means approximate volume of solvent in milligram of solute is? Answer from 30 to 100. 35, chief constituent of bile fruit is? Answer marmelosin. 36, dopamine antagonist used in the treatment of Parkinsonism? Answer bromocriptine. 37, which viscous liquid preparation used orally for relief of cough? Answer Linctus. 38, Schedule Y of Drug and Cosmetics Act 1945 deals with? Answer clinical trials. 39, a permanent contraceptive method? Answer non-scalpel vasectomy. 40, an ultrafiltrate of plasma formed by the choroid plexus is? Answer cerebrospinal fluid. 41, along with benzoic acid, white field ointment contain? Answer 3% salicylic acid. 42, which among the following is stored in light resistant container? Answer adrenaline. 43, infiltration anesthesia to prolong the duration of action of procaine when mixed with the dash? Answer adrenaline. 44. According to Narcotic Drug and Psychotropic Substances Act 1985, cultivating coca plant or gathering any portion of coca plant termed as answer illicit traffic. 45. Microcytic anemia developed due to the deficiency of intrinsic factor is known as answer pernicious anemia. 46. Which one is used to ligate large blood vessels? Answer umbilical type. 47. Theophylline is a non-competitive inhibitor of dash. Answer phosphodiesterase. 48. Aminophylline is a stable mixture of theophylline with answer ethylene diamine. 49. Pharmacokinetic parameter that describes the efficiency of elimination of drug from the body. Answer clearance. 50. Drug obtaining saponin glycoside as major constituent in answer Brahmi. ഈ വീഡിയോ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഇഷ്ടമായെങ്കിൽ ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യണം, ഷെയർ ചെയ്യണം, സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യണം, കമൻറ്റ് ചെയ്യണം. ആൻഡ് താങ്ക്സ് ഫോർ വാച്ചിങ് മൈ ചാനൽ.